Brantford has become the second city in Canada to be recognized by the Canadian Alliance to End Homelessness and Built for Zero Canada for their work in collecting quality by name data on the unsheltered population in Brantford and Brant County.
The data standards are provided to us through the Canadian Alliance to End Homelessness. And essentially, we are required to demonstrate 3 months of accurate data collection. This is done behind the scenes with our Housing Stability Division. So this data is very important because it tells us more about who is experiencing homelessness, why they're experiencing homelessness, and it allows us to make better and informed choices based on evidence when it comes to coordinating access for services and ensuring that people are matched with the proper and most appropriate housing options. It also allows us to inform policies and approaches to homelessness that are based on evidence.
So our Housing Stability Division team is a very small but mighty team. I cannot emphasize how few staff people are working on this, but how dedicated they are and how much work effort they put into it. So under Katie's leadership as Director of Housing and Homelessness Services, we do have a manager of housing stability, and their oversight is for all of the homelessness programs, including the quality by name list. With them, we have a senior project manager and a data analyst who work very closely with the Canadian Alliance to End Homelessness, and that's about it. So these folks are working with our coordinated access partners, so that includes our community partners like SOAR Community Services, who does all the intake to our emergency sheltering system, to all of our shelter partners like Rosewood House and Nova Vida and the Salvation Army, and other community providers such as Grand River Community Health, who are part of the coordinated access system. We really need the provincial and federal levels of government to really collaborate strongly with municipalities and flow the appropriate amount of financial funding so that we can address these issues. When we look at 701 people homeless in Brantford as of December 31st, we could fix that. We could build housing, but we have to do it with the financial resources, more affordable housing, more supportive housing. If we get that, we build, we can work together to end homelessness, hopefully.